Today we are seeing the analysis of Nifty and Bank Nifty for 4th July, Tuesday. We do have a Nifty expiry today. As you can see, Nifty is continuously moving higher for 5 days with gap up. In 30 minutes, if you see, it was continuously moving the complete day. But right now it has moved 2 candles and it is completely sideways. After that means it had moved only for first 1 hour. After that it is on more sideways, so the buying momentum has been reduced slowly. If it crosses 350 or if we get again a big gap up of, let's say, 350-60 points, somewhere taking at 19,370, 80, 90, we might face small resistance at 19,400, but it might take us till 19,500 also, because we are at all-time high and it has already moved. So everyone will be thinking it has moved a lot, then they would have tried to short C. So if it moves higher again, then those people will be covering those C's, then that would lead us for another moment. Uh, if we get a gap down or even flat, those two conditions are trying to tell us that the trend is being slowed down. So because all these days we were getting a gap up, uh, but if we get a flat opening or even gap down, it is trying to tell the momentum has slowed down, so don't try to buy aggressively. So if it opens flat, then we might see a indecision, a doji type of candle for the day, as we have Nifty expiry also. uh, if it opens gap down below this one, 19,280, then we can expect some momentum till 19,230, even 200 also. So in flat or gap down, we will be trying for a put. Only if we get a big gap up, we will be trying for a call. So if we get a big gap up, we might get a doji type of candle or even a inverted hammer type of candle. We go for Bank Nifty also. Bank Nifty is also moved a lot, but now after consolidation, it is means after mountain it is trying to consolidate. We have a trend line moving here, so if we can means if we have a gap up and breaking this level, 45,280, then we will definitely go to 44,400 to 500. It might reach till 500 also, but by the end of the day it might come back around 400 to 500. Watch out for that one, because we have Nifty expiry. If we get a gap down below this trend line, then this is first selling point. So if we can see, we are price moving higher and higher. It moved higher, may gave a pullback, now moved higher, but it is not able to take this previous high. If it breaks this low, that is the first price action. So we can sell a little below 45,000. If it makes again a price action 15 minutes, we can add to that position. For tomorrow we can expect sorry, for today we can expect a target of around 44,700 to 800 if we get a gap down and if it breaks 45,000. So if you can see FinNifty, today we have the FinNifty expiry. Yesterday we had a big momentum, big rally, and then we had a pullback and it went sideways. So people would have sold P's here and C here. Uh, so to scare this C, people who have sold this C, we might get a gap up and cross this high also, uh, and move a bit higher. Then again, it might come down back again. We are telling this because we had a good rallies on previous month, last 2 weeks. That's on 27, 28. We can see 27 price went sideways, then a big rally. 20th also it dropped. From here it had a very big rally on the upside. If we go to 13th we had a small rally, but price was volatile. So we are expecting something like this only, a big volatile day. So the best would be to open gap up, cross this one, move higher, and from there to come down and close somewhere inside this one, inside this box. That would be the best. So if it crosses this low, we might test out 20,100, 150. Uh, but we might not get a clear directional move today. We might expect a big volatile day. So we need to reduce the quantity and trade. If it breaks here, it might reverse suddenly or slowly. We are not sure because a lot of people would have sold their P's here. So just to hit the SL of its people would have all these days. Once it started moving, it moved higher. So all everyone would have thought it has moved higher, then it will correct a lot. Directly correction getting a very big red candle is very rare. So we might get a pause candle, something like that. So every time this breaks lower, people would have think of buying puts. So they would have bought puts, and it would reverse immediately, hitting their SL. Something like that would happen today a lot. So trade consciously. The best trade that I think is if you get a gap up, break this side, move higher, then again here make any M pattern or inside candle type, break that low, come back again to this range. That would be the best trade for me. That's it. Thank you.